The MOSAIC membership directory allows you to display a list of your members or a subset of your members within a native app for easy access to contact information and other details. The directory comes in both a list form, where you can tap on an individual member company to see contact information, and then click through to see a full roster of the employees that are under that company. Or review members on a map format, so your users can see how close they are to one another. Using the filter functionality, you can choose to view all members or limit your search based on a particular criteria. When looking at the roster of employees under a company, you have the added benefit of not only viewing the details for each user, but directly sending them a connect request to start messaging through the MOSAIC in-app messaging module. Additional fields that can be displayed in the member directory include things like profile pictures, company logos, social media details, and many other fields. Keep in mind the membership directory does not need to include all members, but could be used to separate out a specific type of membership like suppliers or sponsors. The best news of all is that the MOSAIC membership directory requires almost no upkeep on your side. The directory will be set up to pull your member information directly from your database, so when updates are made there, it will flow into the app automatically. The MOSAIC newsfeed takes the standard news functionality app users are familiar with seeing in today's mobile world and adds an extra twist: the ability for your users to interact with one another or post in a social media-like way. The newsfeed is set up to automatically feed in articles from one or more sources, listing them in chronological order, with the option to pin important news items to the top of the list as needed. Each news item can be tapped on to open the full details of the post, including the title, full article, any additional links or items that are included in the description, along with graphics. From both the listing screen and the detail screen, users can tap the buttons to like, bookmark, or comment on the post. All likes and comment activity will display at the bottom of the article detail screen. In addition to news items, you also have the ability to add in sponsored posts to maximize your association's profits off your app. Sponsored posts are identified and include a short title, description, and graphic, which can be linked to a URL. With the increase in activity mentioned above, you'll easily be able to justify whatever cost you pass on to sponsors to get their posts into your newsfeed. With the ability to set up the MOSAIC newsfeed automatically and populate from sources you already have in place, you'll essentially have an additional module added into your app through minimal effort from your staff that not only provides useful information to your users, but also presents them with another reason to stay active within your mobile app.